PicMonkey is your one-stop shop for all things social media. Start from one of hundreds of templates for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Pinterest. Duplicate and store your creations in the hub and come back over and over again, keeping your designs cohesive and inspiring. Plan out your Instagram posts, resize, then repurpose for Instagram stories. Design pins that will leave an impression. Make Facebook ads you can't help but click on. Customize YouTube thumbnails quick and easy, and get back to the show. You can also collaborate with your network to move fast and create better together. PicMonkey equals social media, so hop in and feed your followers.